What if I told you that making money fast is not just a dream, but something you can actually do? Starting today. Most people think you need a fancy degree or years of experience to earn serious cash. But the truth is, there are real strategies that can help you start making money quickly, even at your age. In this video, I'm going to break down the fastest ways to make money. Whether you're a student, a recent graduate, or just someone looking for quick financial wins. And the best part, you don't need a huge investment or a traditional job to do it. Let's get started. Most young people are stuck in the same cycle. They want to make money, but they think their only option is a traditional 9-to-5 job or waiting years to climb the corporate ladder. The problem? That approach is slow, and it doesn't guarantee financial success. Inflation keeps rising, student loans pile up, and the cost of living isn't getting any cheaper. So, if you're relying on the old way of making money, you'll always be playing catch-up. But what if you could shortcut the system? What if, instead of following the traditional path, you learn how to monetize your skills, use smart strategies, and tap into modern opportunities that most people overlook? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Real, practical ways to start making money fast, without waiting years to see results. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances now, let's dive in. Everyone wants to make money fast, but most people go about it the wrong way. They chase get-rich-quick schemes, fall for scams, or expect overnight success. That's not how real wealth is built. Making money fast is possible, but it requires the right mindset, skills, and strategies. You can't just sit around and hope for opportunities. You need to take action. And be smart about it. The key is leveraging what you already have: your time, your skills, and your ability to spot opportunities. Whether it's freelancing, flipping items, or tapping into digital income streams, there are real ways to generate cash quickly. But here's the secret. Fast money should be a stepping stone, not the final goal. The real trick is using these quick income sources to fund bigger, long-term opportunities. And that's exactly what we'll cover next. Let's start with the easiest way to make money fast. Monetizing what you already know. You don't need to learn something completely new to start making money. Chances are, you already have skills that people are willing to pay for. Think about it. Are you good at writing? Graphic design? Video editing? Even basic social media management? These are all valuable skills that businesses, entrepreneurs, and content creators need. And here's the best part. You don't need a degree or years of experience to start. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and get paid fast. The key is to position yourself well. Create a strong profile, show some samples of your work, and start with competitive prices to land your first clients. Once you build momentum, you can increase your rates and earn even more. If you don't think you have a skill to sell, don't worry. Up next, I'll show you how to make money even without specialized knowledge. Not everyone has a high-income skill, but that doesn't mean you can't start making money fast. There are online side hustles that require little to no experience and can generate quick cash. For example, reselling digital products. You can buy and resell stock photos, templates, or even ebooks. Another fast option. Affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for every sale. Then there's dropshipping. You sell products online without holding inventory. You only pay for the product when a customer buys it, meaning zero upfront costs. And if you prefer a low-effort approach, look into testing websites and apps. Companies will pay you to give feedback on user experience. No special skills required. These aren't just ideas. They're real ways to generate income quickly. But if you want instant cash, you might need to step into the gig economy. And that's what we'll talk about next. If you need cash today, the gig economy is your best friend. No long-term commitments, no waiting for payments. Just quick money for work you do immediately. Apps like Uber, DoorDash, Instacart, and TaskRabbit let you get paid for driving, delivering food, or even assembling furniture. If you're good with your hands, handyman services or moving gigs can bring in hundreds of dollars per day. And don't forget online gigs. Platforms like Rev and Transcribe pay for simple tasks like transcription or captioning videos. Even things like pet sitting through Rover can turn into fast, easy cash. The best part? You can start today. Sign up, get verified, and begin making money within hours. But what if you want more than just trading time for money? Next, we'll talk about how to invest small but win big with low-risk, high-reward strategies. Most people think you need a lot of money to invest, but that's not true. With just $10, $50, or $100, you can start putting your money to work and multiply it over time. For example, index funds let you invest in the stock market with minimal risk. Apps like Robinhood and Webull allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of Apple, Tesla, or Amazon with just a few dollars. Want something faster? Crypto and high-growth stocks have the potential to skyrocket in value, but be careful. Higher rewards often mean higher risks. Another great option, peer-to-peer lending or real estate crowdfunding, where you earn passive income without needing a fortune to start. The key? Start early and reinvest your gains. But if you want an even faster way to make money, selling digital products or services might be your best move. If you want to make money fast without worrying about inventory, shipping, or production costs, selling digital products or services is the perfect strategy. Think about this: you create something once and sell it over and over again. No extra effort required. What kind of digital products? Ebooks, templates, stock photos, Notion planners, or even online courses. If you have a skill, like design, coding, or video editing, you can sell freelance services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. But if you don't have a skill yet, no problem. AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva can help you create digital assets to sell with minimal effort. Best of all, these businesses are scalable, meaning they can turn into long-term passive income streams. But what if you could make money just from who you know instead of what you sell? That's exactly what we'll cover next. Sometimes, it's not about what you know, but who you know. And that can be your biggest asset when it comes to making money fast. Networking isn't just about shaking hands at business events. It's about connecting people and earning from those connections. Have a friend who needs a website? Introduce them to a web designer and take a commission. Know someone hiring? Connect them with a job seeker and charge a finder's fee. Affiliate marketing works the same way. Platforms like Amazon Associates, PartnerStack, or Impact let you earn money simply by referring products or services to others. No inventory, no sales calls. Just sharing what you already use and believe in. Once you master networking for profit, you'll see money-making opportunities everywhere. But what if you could flip small investments into big profits? That's up next. One of the fastest ways to make money is flipping. Buying something cheap and selling it for more. And the best part? You don't need a lot of money to start. Think about this. You can find undervalued items at thrift stores, garage sales, or Facebook Marketplace and resell them for double or triple the price. Sneakers, gaming consoles, vintage clothes, even used electronics. There's always demand for good deals. Another option? Domain flipping. Buy cheap domain names and resell them for a huge profit. Some domains that cost $10 end up selling for thousands. Flipping isn't just about physical products. You can flip websites, Instagram pages, or digital assets too. But the key to financial success? It's not just about making fast money. It's about turning that quick cash into long-term wealth. Let's talk about that next. Most people think you need millions of followers to make money on social media. But that's not true. You don't need to be famous. You just need to leverage the platforms the right way. First, there's affiliate marketing. Even with a small audience, you can share affiliate links on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter and get paid per sale. Some people make thousands just by reviewing products. Second, you can sell digital products, ebooks, templates, or even simple guides that solve a problem. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy let you upload once and sell forever. Another trick, content repurposing. Brands pay people to turn YouTube videos into TikTok clips or blog posts into Twitter threads. No followers needed, just skills. Social media isn't just for scrolling. It's a money-making machine if you know how to use it. Now, let's wrap this up with how to scale all of these strategies into real wealth. Making quick money isn't about luck. It's about knowing where opportunities are and taking action. Whether it's freelancing, flipping, investing, or social media, the fastest way to make money is to start now. But remember, quick cash alone won't make you rich. The real secret: use what you earn to build long-term wealth. The people who succeed aren't the ones who make the most money, but the ones who keep and grow it. So, which strategy will you try first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.